I wanted to come on here. I know that we've had quite a bit of flooding with all the crazy rains that we're getting here in Atlanta. So I just wanted to give you some knowledge. I want to give you a little bit of knowledge to help you out. So if you have an insurance claim because you own a home, condo, townhouse, and you have to call them to make the claim, a couple of things. Do not ever call the insurance carrier unless you know for sure that you're going to run the claim. Give you an example. If you decide to go ahead and make a call because you had a little bit of a leak, and then you go, you know what, it's only $500, $1,000 to fix. Even though if it's a zero paid out claim, they will ding you for it to be a claim. And remember, every time you get dinged for a potential claim or calling them about it, your insurance tends to go up. And if you have two claims, many of them will actually drop you. So if you have a claim, the first thing you need to do is get some quotes, figure out how much it's gonna cost. And if it's, my personal opinion is, if it's over 10 grand and you don't have the money to fix it yourself, or over 5,000, whatever, yeah, go ahead and do a claim. Two, when the claims person comes out to take a look at the damage, remember they work for the insurance company. What does that mean? Their job is to keep the claim as low as possible, with still taking care of you. Let's just be very clear. So they're not going to necessarily give you all of that. There are companies or people that work for you. I have a friend of mine, Andy. He is a people's insurance adjuster. And all he does is works people's claims for them, and he gets a percentage of that. One of my clients had a backup sewer pipe happen in their house. And also there was some other water damage that came up. And he had been going back and forth dealing with the insurance company forever and ever and ever. And first of all, it takes a lot of time. It's a lot of headache. Contractors coming in and out. He ended up calling Andy, and Andy got him quite a bit of more. Enough extra money, like the cost of like moving out, temporary housing, all of that. And that extra money, we were able to renovate his whole master bathroom on top of that. Not just the kitchen, but do more stuff to it. And I mean, I think he got like almost $25,000 to $30,000 more on the claim than he should have if he would have stayed with the actual, just not get their own insurance adjuster and just stay with their adjuster. So yeah, so this is a great tool, great way. So if you do have a claim, you need me to give you in contact with a person that can help you. They just get a percentage of whatever extra they bring to the table. So it doesn't cost you anything. It's a win-win all the way. But just remember, when something happens, your insurance adjuster, insurance person, company, do not call them to find out if your coverage is there yet. Find out how much it's going to cost to fix the thing first. I ended up doing an insurance claim on some gold that was stolen from my house one time, and I could have easily replaced that, maybe $1,000. I think I got a check for $1,000. I didn't know. I was young and dumb. No, not young and dumb, young and uninformed. And my insurance ended up going up almost $500 on that annual insurance, from like $2,000 to $2,500 off that one little claim. And it was up for the next 5 years. So just saying, here's a little bit of knowledge. Have a good one. Be good.